Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Christmas toys for boys aged 4 to 7 is probably one of the most exciting and challenging shopping experiences of the year, as parents and gift givers aim to find that perfect present that will spark joy, encourage creativity, and provide hours of entertainment for the young ones during the festive season, making this holiday truly memorable with gifts that are not only fun but also foster development and imagination. Number 5. Dinosaur World Road Race Flexible Track Playset. Unleash your imagination and create an epic dinosaur world with this exciting road race track playset. It's perfect for little adventurers. With 216 track pieces, including slopes and a unique X-shaped crossroad, you can build and rebuild countless track layouts. The flexible pieces twist and turn for dynamic racing fun. Get ready for action with 2 included dinosaur cars that bring the prehistoric world to life. These add an extra layer of excitement to every race. This interactive toy encourages cooperation and helps develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination and color recognition. It's a fun way to learn while playing. Looking for a special gift? This durable, safe, and non-toxic playset comes in a colorful box, making it an ideal birthday or holiday present for boys and girls. Setting up and taking down the track is a breeze, making playtime convenient and storage simple. You can quickly create new adventures anytime. What we like. This toy offers a unique dinosaur-themed racetrack experience. It's easy to assemble and allows for endless track variations. If you're looking for a toy that sparks imaginative play and encourages building, this is a great choice for young dinosaur enthusiasts. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The durable construction ensures it can withstand rough play. It offers multiple ways to play, keeping children engaged for hours. Number 4. National Geographic Glow-in-the-Dark Marble Run. Unleash your creativity with this exciting marble run construction kit. It's designed for endless imaginative configurations, offering hours of fun. Our sturdy pieces fit together snugly, ensuring your marble maze stays intact during play. With multiple bases and track pieces, the possibilities are limitless. Watch and wonder as 15 glow-in-the-dark marbles in vibrant colors zigzag down your custom tracks. They create a magical experience as they light up the night. Keep all your construction pieces and glowing marbles organized with the included large storage bag. It makes cleanup a breeze and ensures you're ready for your next adventure. This kit is more than just a toy, it's a fantastic STEM learning tool. Explore the physics of motion and aerodynamics with the included learning guide and experiments. From the award-winning creators, this toy is designed to foster education, imagination, and creativity. Plus, enjoy stellar support from our US team. What we like. This marble run kit features exciting glow-in-the-dark marbles for a captivating visual experience. The sturdy, tight-fitting pieces ensure a stable build, and it comes with a guide for STEM learning. If your child enjoys building and is fascinated by science, this award-winning toy offers hours of educational fun. What people say. The toy car is made of durable material and has survived multiple drops. The remote control is easy for small hands to operate. The car features bright LED lights that add to the play experience. Number 3. Laradola Take-Apart Dinosaur Toys 3-Pack. Get ready for an exciting adventure with our dinosaur building set. It comes with 85 interchangeable parts, allowing you to build 3 different dinosaurs. Keep your little ones entertained and engaged for hours. Our specially designed electric drill operates at a safe, low speed. It's perfect for small hands and ensures a worry-free building experience. Plus, manual screwdrivers are included for an authentic tool feel. With 85 interchangeable components, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match parts to create unique hybrid dinosaurs. This encourages creativity and develops problem-solving skills. We've included extra screws for uninterrupted play. The durable connectors ensure that your creations are stable and can withstand repeated adventures. It's built for long-lasting fun. This set is safety certified and comes in a gift-ready box. It's an ideal present for birthdays or any occasion, providing hours of imaginative play and a sense of accomplishment. Keep your child entertained and away from screens for over 2 hours. This hands-on activity fosters focus and provides a rewarding sense of achievement as they bring their dinosaurs to life. What we like. This set provides a hands-on building experience with a safe, low-speed electric drill and 3 different dinosaur models to assemble. It's designed to keep children engaged and develop fine motor skills. If you have a child who loves dinosaurs and enjoys the satisfaction of building and taking things apart, this is an excellent way to keep them busy and learning. What people say. The toy car is very durable and has survived multiple drops without any damage. The remote control is easy for my son to use, even at 4 years old. The lights and sounds on the toy add an extra layer of fun and engagement for the kids. Number 2. SGILE RC Robot Toy, Blue. This robot toy is incredibly responsive. Its chest sensor picks up your gesture commands, allowing it to move forward, backward, left, and right with ease. Let your imagination run wild. You can program up to 50 actions, creating your own unique sequences for it to perform. It's all about playing your way. Watch it explore. When in patrol mode, its built-in sensors help it detect and avoid obstacles, ensuring it navigates safely. Get ready for a show. This fun companion can not only walk and slide but also sing and dance to dynamic music, bringing endless entertainment. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of playtime after just a 120-minute charge. Plus, recharging is simple with the included USB cable. What we like. This robot toy offers interactive fun with gesture sensing and programming capabilities. It can perform a sequence of up to 50 commands, sing, and dance. If you're looking for a high-tech toy that encourages creativity and offers dynamic entertainment, this programmable robot is a fantastic gift for curious young minds. What people say. The toy car is very durable and has survived many crashes. The remote control is easy for small hands to operate. The lights and sounds add an extra layer of fun to the playtime. Number 1. Goopow Rechargeable Kids Camera. Introducing the Goopow Kids Camera, designed for children aged 3 to 8. It's simple to use, just turn it on and start capturing memories. This camera comes with a soft, cartoon-themed cover, making it perfect for little hands. It's built to withstand the adventures of young children. It features a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, offering 1.5 to 2 hours of continuous use. Simply recharge it via USB for more photo-taking fun. With a built-in SD card slot and an included SD card, your child can start taking photos right away. It's ready for them to explore their creativity. Looking for a special gift? This camera is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for the young boys and girls in your life. Please note that charging should be done by an adult using a standard 1A charger or lower. Avoid using fast chargers to ensure the longevity of the device. What we like. This kid's camera is designed for little ones, featuring a durable cartoon cover and simple controls. It's USB rechargeable and comes with an SD card, making it easy for children to start capturing memories right away. If you want to encourage your child's creativity and give them a fun way to document their world without worrying about expensive equipment, this is a perfect starter camera. What people say. The car is very sturdy and has held up well to rough play. My son loves the flashing lights and siren sounds, it really makes him feel like a real firefighter. The remote control is easy for my 4-year-old to operate, he can steer it forward, backward, and turn it around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.